Hello and welcome to the Williams Learning Lab. So in this video we're going to learn how to count formulas and the number of atoms when they contain a coefficient. And so in this example we're going to be doing hydrogen gas and it has a coefficient of 3. So how many of each element is in the formula 3H2? Well, first let's think a little bit backwards. We look at our subscript and the subscript tells you how many of a particular element is in a molecular formula. Well, there are 2 hydrogens in this molecular formula. Well, this 3 right here, it tells us the number of molecules that we have. So 2 hydrogens per molecule, 3 molecules. So for hydrogen, what we're going to have is 2 hydrogens per molecule times our 3 molecules, and that's going to give us, of course, 6. And it's just like that, guys. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, would you consider commenting, or subscribing? And if you have a question, put it down in the comment section below. Until next time, guys, keep on learning.